I think internet definitely facilitates infidelity in all its forms, from cyber chatting to specific websites devoted to finding lovers, such as Ashley Madison and Seeking Arrangement. So I think in this era, staying faithful has to be a very conscious commitment, because there's so many temptations on the internet, from seemingly innocent ones, such as getting into a chat room or sexting, to complicated ones where you can actually find lovers in arranged meetings. I think internet also makes it easier to cross the line from simply contacting maybe old lovers on Facebook to emailing someone to tell them you find them attractive from the Instagram, to taking it a step further and beginning to exchange private information and arranging a meeting. Research shows that married men are very likely to visit some of the chat rooms, to visit some of these sites. Some of them just do window shopping and never go any further. Others do contact women on the sites. There's a lot of opportunistic infidelity there. There are a lot of young college women looking for sugar daddies. There's numerous sites on the website devoted to that. And of course, married men usually fall prey to that easily. So internet in many ways is a very dangerous place to be, particularly if you're spending a lot of time on the computer working and the temptation of checking out something exciting is there all the time. It's very important to keep the boundaries, to keep moral boundaries, to keep personal commitments, because it's very easy to take it a step further, a little bit at a time.